5:30 in the morning. That's how you start the day. Cooking with Pooh. Coming up. Tay kind of looks like she's going on a safari today.
We'll define the tigers and the lions.
The reason we're so excited about this cooking class is it started in the slums, and Pooh, she was unable to afford, when the prices of rice went up, she was unable to afford to do her restaurant, and so she had to think of a new way to make money. And so she started these cooking classes. We don't really have a clue, so we love learning about these kinds of things. All right, we made it. There was like no traffic today, which was really nice. If you get motion sickness, you cannot look down while you're driving because it is such a wild ride. But today it was real chill, so that was nice. Finding some really cool side streets on the way to find some coffee. Also, the directions were to get there at 8:30 sharp, or they'll leave without you. Oh, this place looks popular. This is such a cute place. Can I get a Thai tea, please? Wow. Thank you so much. Check this place out. This Thai tea is so good. Fried chicken in the morning looks delicious. And some fruit. Oh yeah. There's steam coming off of my drink because it's so hot out here and it's so cold in my hand.
I love how these open markets, or these food carts, are just here in the morning, so you can just go and grab your breakfast. I find that to be one of the coolest things about this place. And I think that's a Southeast Asian thing.
Oh, this looks so good. She's poking them. Oh, wow.
A lot of people say my nickname Chot It Pooh, my nickname Chom Pooh, mean Lord Apple. Today we have for you try.
Just met Pooh and she's amazing. And it was funny, she was just telling us about how when she filmed with Jamie Oliver, how it was 7 hours. And she's like, it's too much, that you have to be like smiling and on. And he's like, be happy. And she's like, this is too much.
The market actually opens at 1 o'clock a.m. So they start work at 1 a.m. preparing the market, putting all the food out. And she's also saying that when we're walking through the market, watch out for the beep beeps because if you get ran over, if you don't.
All right, we get the taxi with Pooh. Thank you. At 6 o'clock, everything is half price. So because they truck in the fresh vegetables and all the things. And so since they can't use it tomorrow, they want everything to be fresh, that it's half price. So it gets super busy at 6 o'clock. Howdy! That'll light you up till Tuesday. Oh! What is that?
That's wild.
Oh, you eat the inside.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Water bug, someone barbecue. Yeah, you can smell. Someone barbecue first, put in chili paste for smell good for me. Very
Oh, it smells good. Lemur. The knife right next to it. These are the frogs that she was telling us about in the car. Sounds like something you would say to a lady or a bag of toads. It's open for 24 hours. Ugh, that's a pungent aroma.
Having a hard time?
You can smell. I think
Oh, wow.
You
yeah.
smell.
That's great.
The fish?
Yeah. Good for you. I looking you. Okay. I buy the jasmine.
Really getting a nose full of that, aren't you?
It smells so good.
Outside 5, inside 5 are the same. Outside 6 feet, inside 6 are the same. Soft skin inside very nice and very hard skin inside not good. And snakehead fish, they are to sell. One day 300 kilo. What is it? Snakehead fish. Look, same over there. Yeah,
Oh no! Eel down, eel down. Love that she comes and supports the local where she lives.
She has a history of taking home stray cats. That's the curry paste. Look at that. That is a huge ball of curry.
They are youth blender and today you use
Wow. It's slippery in here.
Some people finish, have some beer and some whiskey. I talk to them why. They are talking hard work last night when finished.
Gotta have a beer when you're done because you work so hard.
We're getting our ingredients.
The streets are alive. This is the coolest thing. You guys have to come check this out, Cooking with Pooh, and she helps her community so much with all of this. Oh, my head's caught in something.
That is
Where?
wild. You're right.
Oh my gosh. Hanging pork.
pork.
Lots of pork. What are those?
Keep the flies away.
No, those long
I like the
tongs.
inside, the tail, stomach, liver, and everything. Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
She said that this is the busiest area, so when you hear the beep beep, get out of the way. It is busy. Coming in hot. Pretty sure that's blood. That's the first monk I've seen. That is cool. She's hauling. She's carrying such heavy stuff. This guy's got a packed house. Yeesh, you didn't know I'm you driving that cart. Waiting for the taxi. Now we're headed to the kitchen. And we're gonna make all the food that we got all the ingredients. Or we got all the ingredients to make the food now.
The queen daughter for Lamanai. Yeah. A lot of Thai people.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, they love
She is
her.
singer. Yes, she is amazing. Yeah.
The coin that he has is worth 30,000 baht, and he's like, nope, that's how much they love her. He's not even worth selling. They want to hold on to it. I didn't know that. Yeah. The famous TikTok alleyway. Even though TikTok's not out here. Cool. So we're headed now to the kitchen. We saw some live chickens. Look, the little skinner. This is so interesting. Oh, what are you cooking there?
Insect.
Oh,
Yeah, in the worm, soft worm.
oh.
You can try. You can try.
I love it.
Very soft, not yummy. Kun Thai tea deep fried, very crunchy. That, yeah, you can choose.
Soy sauce and salt.
Good. Someone eat with.
Alright, we've got our cooking station. It's time to go. We learned a really cool technique to
Yep.
Small one. Don't let spicy big one.
What's the name of the dish?
Yam tak krai.
Yum Thai fry.
Yeah, lemongrass salad.
So good. Bad time. So the red color actually comes from prawn heads.
I'm sorry. Oh, that looks so good.
Everything look like a powder. I think alright. Yeah. Now you know why big myself. It's a hard work.
Massaman curry coming up next.
Huh. Lights out. Same as yours.
Yeah. One. And for you,
Same.
one thing.
Thank you.
Cut white onion.
Same color.
For you, how many?
Tay's over here wielding the knife.
I thought she said pears. He said, where'd you get pears?
You're about ready.
Best curry I've ever had. And we actually made it.
Massaman curry. It is so good.
Dragon fruit, two color for you try. A little bit stem outside, white inside. Too many stem outside, pink inside. Different a little bit. Yeah. What is this?
Egg fruit.
This one
Egg
is snake
fruit.
fruit.
Never heard of that. Showstopper, mango sticky rice. I didn't realize that they're fried monk seeds on the top. I thought they were Rice Krispies. This is so good too. It tastes like cotton candy, like a cotton candy pancake. So we just got done. We met some of the best people, the Aussies. They were so great. Are we going the wrong way? Oh, just kidding. All right, that's why I'm not in charge of directions. We are headed to the taxi now. It's a baby. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at all the babies. They all have really bad eyes. All right. So this is where Pooh lives. And they had a fire a couple years ago and had to rebuild everything. So take this class. It's amazing. Hi. Hi. And it really helps the community. So they're able to help so many people in this area. So if you can donate or take the class, absolutely do it. It was the best experience. Everyone in this area also is so friendly. Everybody that we walk by, they say hi, they greet us.
The market, collecting the groceries or the ingredients, and then cooking it. It was so well done. Trying to find our way back to the main road so we can grab an Airbnb or a grab.
Got here in a food coma. It is interesting though because everybody that we walk by, they look at us like, what are you doing here? But then they smile, they're so friendly. I love it here. Come check it out. I drank the water before we paid, and you have to have $200 or 200 baht worth of stuff to be able to use your credit card. So I drank it before we bought it, so we don't need cash, so we gotta get some 200 baht worth of things. Oh yeah, get your coffee. Perfect. Even though it's only 35 baht.
Yeah. It's just always exciting.
Life with me?
Yeah.
Oh boy, yeah. It's a wild ride, folks. Come along with us for it all. I'm getting whiffs of whatever that guy's cooking.
Those are chicken wings.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
I love that everyone just drinks. Like, what time is it? Noon. Noon, just getting it. Look at this guy. He's got a big old cart full. Thank you. All right, you guys, that wraps up today. We had the best day. There's a lot of stuff that we didn't get to that my sickness took a couple days off. So next time we would definitely do the floating market. We would definitely do the hidden canals. So check those out if you come to Bangkok. But it gives us a reason to come back. So really glad to have been here, and we will see you guys on the way to Vietnam.